Well, I got the body off so you can see the cage here. A little softer than I like, but that's okay. While the video is loading up here, I'm going to see if I can try a different battery in it and see if it makes any difference. If I can get any kind of power here or not to the receiver. So, let me see. Starting to look like I exceeded its waterproof capability last night. Just finished up a run that I did not videotape because I was trying to load another video up, and only once did it cut out. The receiver loses power. The red light goes off and it just stops. Well, or in this case, it just rolls. So we'll see how it goes here. Alright, so first video just went up. I'm really starting to think it might have been water, so let me take it out here and give it a run. Alright, I think it was water. Fender. Okay, it gets a fresh start. I think I just got it way too wet last night. Way too wet. But it's good to know. No deep puddles.